Hello and welcome to the channel. So on today's video we are doing a kimono, oversized kimono, as you can see. So that's how it's looking. It's a bit oversized and it was a request to make this. So for this kimono you can also belt it up, just overlap the opening and then belt it, and that's how it's looking. It can turn into a dress. You can do this kimono in different lengths. For mine it's just above the knee, but you can do a maxi kimono or whichever length you want, and you can also transform it into a dress using a belt like I have done here. So I hope you try this. And yeah, let's get into the tutorial. So I'm beginning by measuring the height that I want and folding it. So I am doing 36 inches and I'm using Ankara, of course. You can use any fabric of your choosing. So I folded my fabric at 36 inches and I'm just going to cut that out. 36 is the length of the kimono. After that, I'm folding it again so that the four selvages are together like that. And I'm going straight into the neckline. You want to measure 3 inches across from the fold, and then going down 2 inches, and I'm just going to cut that out. That's the neck. Then for the sleeve, I'm going to go down from the fold 7 inches, and I'm just going to just cut across the selvage a bit, around 1.5 centimeters from the selvage, to mark where the armhole is going to be. Next, I'm folding on this side, just one side, as you can see. I don't know how to explain, but of course it's illustrated in the video. Folding one side, and I'm going to cut the neckline of the front, as well as separate the piece so that the front has an opening. So I'm just separating the front, and then I'm marking a V, cutting a V shape to the front of the garment. So this is how it looks actually after that cutting. Just put it on, just draped it. And if you have like a heavy fabric, you can just drape on without doing any sewing, and you have like a, what is it called, a throw or something like that. But we are going to continue sewing and I'll show you how. So I'm doing the side seams from the point I had marked for the armhole. Remember I had done that snip. I'm just sewing from there towards the hemline. And after sewing the two sides, I'm going to fold the opening, the armhole that I had left. Just a simple fold and sew along, because it's selvage and it's not going to fray. I'm not folding it twice, so I'm just folding it once and doing the edge for the armhole. And of course I'm going to do it for both sides of the kimono. After that, we are then going to fold and sew the center front, which is the opening of the kimono. Yeah, the part where we had done the V as well as the neckline, so it's just folding and doing a straight stitch all around. And then for the last part of this tutorial, we are going to hem the bottom. I like to use a 1.5 hem, so that's what I'm using. But you can hem whichever hem width you like. And after that, we are actually done. The kimono is done. It's a very easy project, it's a very easy DIY, and you can try it different lengths. Really pretty. Yeah. So that's it. Thank you for watching. And see you on the next one. Bye.